How to log in to the Schoology Mobile App for parents. To create an account, you need a parent access code from your child's school. Visit our website for information on setting up your account for the first time, technology.mnps.org. Once you have your email and password, you can open the app. To log in, you will need to select Metro Nashville Public Schools in the School box. You will get a message about SSO. Select Stay Here. Enter your email and password and click the Sign In button. Once you have logged in, you will see the updates. To find the menu, select the 3 lines in the top left corner. On the menu, you can navigate to different pages or switch to another child using My Children. Parents can see the courses their student has, along with course materials, student work, and grades. For more information, visit our website, technology.mnps.org.